Okay, so we're up at this temple. Got Tai Chi over there. And then we have some people playing badminton over there. We have a temple over there. Another one behind us as well. And we're going to explore all of it, check it all out, and we're going to go on down the hill. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. There's some cats right there. It's kind of funny to see those cats run across like that. So we're going to be heading down in a minute. But it's kind of cool. Directly below me, some people enjoying some tables over there. There's the cats. They're going to take a jump, I think. Slowly. A little bit late to film up here, I think, but it's kind of okay though. These are all apartments that go directly across. There's my shadow up on that one. You're basically looking right into a lot of apartments right there. Okay, so we're going to head on down. It's interesting. You can see somebody out on the ledge there, putting up their curtains on the, oh no, taking their clothes. It's really seeing the people's apartments here. Okay, so let's give them some privacy, of course. Some beautiful. There's like Kamoish Park way up there. I think it's probably closed in the evening though. We're going to head on down. Oh, so amazing. I think that goes all the way up there as well. Okay, let's head on down. Okay. We're going to head on down the street, down the steps. There was a lot of badminton in here, but now it's a little bit quiet. It is darker out. So that's that little space there. Okay. So yeah, they were playing badminton in here. Looks like they still are. A little bit. There's badminton over there, or the badminton court right there, right? So we're gonna head on down. There's some cats right there. The other one. Okay, so we're gonna head on down. We could walk in a lot of different areas. There's another cat right there too. I guess they're feeding this one. And just gotta clip a bell. can definitely walk down that way as well. We could walk down one of these ways. We did come down that way and it was pretty beautiful, but we're gonna go down this way, I guess. Sidetracked. I think maybe what we'll do is I'll take you down to Main Street just so that people can kind of get an idea of where we are. Of course, you can always look up the street signs like Soulbrigada right there. You come out in front of this temple as well. And then there's these little alleys. I like to go down here. I always like the alleys in Macau. Yeah, there you go. It's nice at nighttime, right? So we're gonna head into the alleys and then we're gonna kind of navigate to a main street. And it's nice and peaceful and quiet, even in these areas too. Yeah, I filmed here. I think I filmed a lot of places. Definitely got to this space a few times as well. And I always kind of like this little alley, because this alley comes out to this kind of cool little space on the corner here, this yellow building. And something about it, like actually those chairs and stuff like that too. Yeah, and then when I film it like on the corner like that, it looks really cool. So yeah, this is a nice little corner right here. And then we're gonna go this way. And then there's this corner down like that way too. Yeah, I filmed in that space too, Becca de Melva. Yeah, Macau's beautiful at nighttime too. Down there's a main street. If I walk straight down that way, it'll be kind of a major road. But I kind of want to go down further down these little back alleys. They're nice and quiet for the most part. And we can always take a right. Yeah, it's nice. It's a little. This is really consuming the battery. I have it up a little bit higher. So we have these little parks like that, and that goes all the way up into the that park, Kamoish Park as well. And then some main roads would be down that way. I think what I'll probably do is I'll just end it momentarily. I was going to take it to the main road, but it's always so busy with all the cars. But I think there's enough markers that if you wanted to, you could take a look and kind of see where the temple came from. But it definitely comes down into all the main stuff again. Just like cool stuff everywhere, you know. Okay. Oh, little sculptures in there. Cool. Okay. I guess we should end it or film a new street and highlight this one. It looks so cool. Actually, there's our main street up there, so we'll just follow that to there, and then we'll take you out to the end. They're selling washing machines and air conditioners here. I think used ones maybe. We're gonna come out a little bit further. Yeah, it's kind of a roar of traffic over here. So we'll come over here in a second. Then we'll film whatever is here. There we go. All right. Go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right. Chiquinha.